Seasonal decorating? Do I ever have tips for you? Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you join me on my YouTube adventures. Hi guys, happy Wednesday. Happy Wednesday everybody. By the way, I just want to say a huge thank you to everybody that watched the last video. I know it was a little bit different, but it was my first DIY for the season. Now, speaking of season, get yourself a coffee because we got some talking to do. Okay, guys, I have wanted to make this video for so long because I am a huge fan of seasonal decorating. And the tips that I'm going to give you today can tie you over to any season. Christmas, Easter, spring, summer, and fall. And you know fall is fast approaching, and a lot of us are going to switch over our decor completely to bring in the new season. And I'm one of those people, and I know you're one of those people if you're watching this video. So, I have compiled the best ideas that I could find before you start decorating, because I know a lot of us are ready. We're itching to get the season started and to bring in fall into our homes. But before you do that, I got a list. Okay, ready? Let's go. Got my handy little agenda, and I've compiled a whole bunch of tips. I think I got 10 amazing tips for you guys. Let me see. Yes, 10 tips. Okay, so how to be an amazing seasonal decorator. That is the goal. That is everybody's goal. We want, when people come walking into our house and they see our seasonal decor, that they look around and go, oh my God, she must be a decorator. Well, some of us are, and some of us are not. So, I have amazing tips. Number one, this is my tip on anything and everything in life. Number one, let's make this fun. Because if you're not having fun doing this, then it might not be for you. If this is something that stresses you out and gives you anxiety, then this is not for you. Number one, seasonal decorating has got to be fun. Okay, so think about it. Is this something that brings you a lot of joy? Do you have a lot of fun doing this? Then go ahead and do it. Tip number two. Tip number two is organization. I cannot stress this enough. You have got to be organized. And when I say organized, I mean really organized. Your decor, your everyday decor, and your seasonal decor must be organized. And your house needs to be organized. Because if you're in chaos, this is not going to work. You're going to have summer stuff. You're going to have Easter stuff. You're going to have all these stuff. And you're going to get overwhelmed. And it's going to cause anxiety. So make sure before you start anything that you've got all your decor organized by categories so it's easy to find. And you'll be seeing my basement very soon where I store my stuff, and I'm going to show you that right now. Okay guys, this is part of my storage area, and I have another little part just behind me. So as you can see here, I've already got started. I brought my fall decor into the middle here. I took it off. I usually line up my seasonal decor in bins over here. And this, what you see right here, this is Christmas. And then there's the trees. But I wanted to show you, this is what I mean by organization. I have my candle holders together. I have my greenery together. I have pillows together. I have vases together. And I kind of keep things really organized so I know what I'm working with. And you'll see lots of stuff everywhere. So there you go. And now you have a small idea of my organization and what I mean by organized. So we're organized now, right? Trends. Trends? What do you mean trends, Bella? I mean, it's Christmas. It's Easter. It's fall. How many trends could there be? There's a lot of trends. And when I say trends, I mean the new cool stuff that's out in the stores, okay? Trends. This is where you go to the stores and you see the trends out there. You flip through magazines or you look through Pinterest or those kind of things. Now, I've compiled a few pictures when I was out in the stores to show you some of the trends, so I'm going to leave them right here. Okay, guys, this is Michael's. I love this brand new sunflowers that they have, and a lot of this is really brand new. This is all the new stuff that they've introduced this year. So there's lots of things out there. So make sure you watch those Shop With Me videos so you can get a really good look as what's in all the stores. Now the next look is one of my favorite. This Hobby Lobby, and it's this navy blue and copper. And there's a lot of new signs. A lot of new signs that they did not have last year. Now back to Michael's. I love this kind of new romantic look, I guess you would call it. And of course, there's the traditional stuff. But I really wanted to show you some of these new picks that I'd never seen. And Hobby Lobby has a lot of new picks also this year. Some picks that I'd never seen before. And if you've been with me for a while, you know I love making floral arrangements. So I just wanted to give you an idea of all the new picks out there. Tip number 5, and this is a big one. This is a really, really big one. Theme. You need to pick a theme. Because if you all mismatch all over the place, it's not going to flow nicely. You're not going to get the look that you want. And you're not going to be happy with the end result. So a theme is really, really, really important. Now, I've compiled kind of 3 themes that I'm going to show you right after this clip, and you'll get an idea of what I'm talking about. But before I show you those clips, I want to give you some FYI that will help you in your decor. If you live in a very, very traditional home, meaning you have a lot of crown molding, a lot of moldings, a lot of, dark, rich colors. I mean, it doesn't necessarily have to be dark, rich colors, but a lot of ornateness in your home, ornate furniture. That's very kind of traditional. It won't look so great paired up with modern. Like all the glitz and glam, it won't look that great with it. So think about your theme carefully when you're picking a theme for your home. Make your theme tie into your home. Another thing, if your house is super, super modern, unfortunately, girls and guys, that chippy farmhouse, that's not going to look good in your house. It's going to look really out of place. It's going to stand out like a big sore thumb. If you have really modern chandeliers with a lot of crystal beads on them, like asymmetrical stuff and really modern, sleek furniture, and you start adding farmhouse, unfortunately, it's going to look really weird. So think of your theme really carefully, and you might love something, but it just won't fit into your house. So, think of your theme really, really carefully. Okay, let's start here. These are really, really traditional colors. You can see the oranges, coppers, mustards, burnt burgundies. And guys, this does not require a lot of effort. These are readily available in all the stores. So this is one of the themes. If you're my glam kind of girls and you love that modern look, this is for you. All the glitz and glamour, light colors, sparkles. I mean, you name it. This is your theme. If you love this, this is where your decor should be. Now, this is a more neutral kind of decor. You got some plaids, little bit of orange, and you'll see more natural. We Tip number 6. Okay, this is a good one. Go back to your decor now. Go back to the stuff that you've unboxed, okay? Go back. Go back and weed it out once again. So you've picked your theme, you saw the trends, you've decluttered, you've organized. Now you're gonna really pare it down. Keep the things you love because maybe next year you'll use those. But for this year, group them together. What will fit into that theme? Because that's really important. Like, we want to make it like super cute, right? Okay. So, you did all that, right? Okay. Confessions of a Shopaholic. Here we go. Let's go shopping. What? Shopping? Yes. Oh, yes. So, you did all the things, right? Did all the things. You kept to your list. You did the decluttering. You got the organization down packed. You got your theme. You made your list. Shopping. Okay, but wait. Back up. Did you watch all the Shop With Me videos? Amazing videos, right? Amazing. Some of my friends here on YouTube have some of the best Shop With Me videos, ever. And I'm one of those girls, I have to watch all of them. I want to see what's in the stores because I'm not, I might miss something when I'm in there because I'm like a squirrel. I'm like, oh. So the Shop With Me videos are amazing. Make sure you watch those. Now, get a cute outfit on, get your credit cards, get your debit cards, get some cash. And you don't have to spend a lot of money because you've made your list. And you know what you can afford and what you cannot afford. So, let's go shopping. Shop till your heart is content. That's what I say. And stick to your theme. Number 7. Oh yeah, this is a good one. You did all the things. You shopped, right? But you're in the store and you're thinking, well, that doesn't match my stuff. And that's not exactly what I was looking for. And that was really expensive. Like, you pick up a little pumpkin and it's like $12.99 for something that fits in your palm of your hand, and you're thinking, DIY, right? DIY. Now's the time. I'm telling you, it's the beginning of August, and we're probably not gonna bring in real fall yet. So now is the time to DIY. And speaking of DIYs, oh my Lord, some of my friends here on YouTube are some of the best DIYers I have ever seen. And even me, I am totally inspired, guys. I've been crushing on the Mackenzie Child, and there is some DIYers out there who are killing the Mackenzie Child look if you're into Mackenzie Child. Now, I have to confess, I did buy some real Mackenzie Child, but I'm going to DIY some. Hopefully, if I have time. Okay, so number 8, if you cannot find it, DIY it. And now's the time. And you know what? It's nice. Put on a movie on TV, get yourself your paints or your scissors or your whatever you're going to use to DIY. Sit in front of the TV, pour yourself a nice glass of wine or an iced tea, and, DIY till your heart's content. DIYing is therapeutic, they say. Number 9, and we're almost done. Number 9, guys, number 9. Start your decor. This is it. You did all the things, got your theme, you went shopping, you watched all the videos, everything is in order, your house is clean and organized, you're excited. This is the fun part. Start your decor. But pick an area. One area only, okay? Now, what do I mean by that? Let me put this down so I can explain. What do I mean about pick an area? Well, it could be overwhelming, right? You look around and you think, I have such a big living room, or maybe you don't have a big living room. I have my kitchen, where do I start? Where do I go? My kitchen, my living room, my entranceway. Pick one small area. Pick one small area and execute your theme. at least that. Start with that. So, for example, start with your coffee bar. That's a really good way to start. Start with a shelf in your kitchen. That's a really good way to start. The coffee table. If you're like me, you'll pick an area and then it'll flow from there. Now, I know, like I've said earlier in the video, I know a lot of you are not going to decorate, the full house like we are. So pick an area that will always bring you joy when you see it. For example, maybe your front entrance. That'll give you the feel that, oh, fall is in the air. Or, that'll be a perfect area. Or your coffee bar. Even if you just get yourself one really cute fall mug and the best pumpkin you could find, the one that you love the most, just put it by your coffee bar. Easy peasy, done. You got yourself a little fall. That will help. Okay, what is my last tip? What do you think would be my very last tip? Tip number 10. Sit back, enjoy everything the season has to offer. Because every season has something magical in it. And I mean, truly, every season has something magical. For example, spring is the rebirth. After a long, cold winter, we get to see the flowers bloom. Summer is easy, breezy, lazy, hot summer nights, sitting on a porch, by a fire, or listening to those waves crash in, which I would love to do. Fall has magic because if you live up north, especially up north, we get to see the colors change, and guys, it is magic. I mean, you can revel in the colors because I say Mother Nature, when we go to sleep at night, she just paints all the trees and makes them so beautiful. So revel in every season. And I hope you sit back, enjoy your homes, enjoy your decor. You've had some fun, and you've had some fun watching this video. So those are my 10 tips. I hope you liked this video. I hope you got some amazing inspiration out of it. Now, start watching those videos. Head down to your storage rooms or up to your attics, because I know not everybody has a basement. Head up to your attics, go through your decor, have fun with it, make your lists, enjoy your time. Think about all the amazing possibilities and all the cool things that you're going to do this fall. Okay? So, I'm going to leave you now. I hope you have an amazing day ahead, and I will see you in the next one. Mwah! Bye, guys. Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody. Have a fantastic week ahead. I'll see you on Friday, guys. Bye.